Now that we've learned all about making different types of lines, we can go ahead and create our printing plate. So as always, we're going to start by writing our name on the printing plate. I'm going to use a permanent marker because otherwise it could come off. And then I'm going to flip it over to the front side. Now, when we do this, it's very, very important that we use a dull pencil. A dull pencil just means that it should not be sharp. So it should have sort of a rounded end right here like this. Otherwise, you could rip through the foam here. So the very first thing I'm going to do is pick some type of shape to put in the middle. It should be pretty simple and it should be pretty big. So I have a heart here for this one. Maybe for this one, I just want to do something simple like a triangle. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press into this foam. You're not going to see a color. We just want it to be indented. So if you run your finger over it, you should be able to feel that there's a little indent there. Once you have your shape in the center, we're going to use whatever types of lines that you have learned today to go across behind your shapes. So perhaps for the first one, I want to do sort of a wave shape, which just means it's going to come up to a point repeatedly. It also sort of looks like the underside of a cloud here. And I go all the way across. What I want you guys to do is have at least 5 lines that go across of different types of lines. So perhaps for my next one, I'm going to have this sort of castle shape where I come over, then down, and then keep going in the same direction across, but I just alternate between going up and down. Now when I hit my shape, I'm actually going to stop. And then I'm going to jump over to the other side and pick up where I left off. So that's my second line. My third line, maybe I would have across here. And for that one, perhaps I'll just have maybe polka dots going across. So I'm going to put a polka dot here, here, here. Oh, and then once I hit my shape, I'm going to jump over it and continue on this side. So now I have 3 different types of lines, and I'm going to continue. Maybe for this next one, I'm going to do a wave pattern, or a wavy line, I should say, sort of like this. So this one's just going to go up and down all the way across. Okay, and then for my last one, perhaps I'll do these little swirls also. So I just start, they look a little bit like snail shells. They go around in a circle. And I'm just going to do that all the way across. All right, and then I'm done with this first step of my printing plate.